So, do your knees make a popping or cracking sound when you squat? Should you be worried about it? Let's go deep and understand what it actually is. In many cases, the sound is called crepitus. It's a simple medical term for popping and cracking sound from a joint. The sounds can come from tiny gas bubbles in your joint fluid or like our tendons or ligaments moving over the bones when you bend your knees. So if there is no pain or swelling while this cracking, then it's nothing to be worried about. But if you have pain while it's popping or cracking and you have swelling as well, don't ignore it, get it checked. Follow Fittians for more informative video